Jai Hind, dear students of class 10th. Today I welcome you all in geography class. In my previous class, we have discussed many aspects of Indian agriculture. Today I am going to start with the important question that the declining share of agriculture in the GDP is a matter of serious concern because of any decline and stagnation in agriculture will lead to a decline in other spheres of the economy having wider implications for society because Indian people, maximum people are dependent on agriculture and the prosperity of all the other sector of economy depends on agriculture. So question is asked in board generally that the declining share of agriculture in the GDP is a matter of serious concern. Support your answer with any five valid reasons. Support your answer with any five valid reasons. So I am going to discuss about that. Considering the importance of agriculture in India, the government of India made concerted efforts to modernize agriculture. What step or the effort has made by the government of India one by one we are going to discuss. Very first, government of India has established, you can say, establishment of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR. In short, it is known as ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Second, many agricultural universities were opened. Veterinary services, Pasu Chikitsa. Veterinary services were given priority and animal breeding centers were also opened for replacing the indigenous cows by the hybrid cows which can provide more milk. Horticulture development were done in past. Research and development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast. Now, in advancement, farmers can be informed that what type of weather or climatic condition or rainfall pattern will be there in this season, in this year. Accordingly, they have to prepare their agriculture according to their agriculture. Apart from this, improving the rural infrastructure has also considered essential for the same. Government has also tried to consolidate the rural infrastructure by providing them electricity, rural roads, by connectivity, etc. Many works have been done. These are the main works. But still, the GDP of agriculture in total share of GDP is declining. Why? The regions are behind. We are going to discuss one by one. Very first, it is said that it is not generating sufficient employment opportunities in the country. It is said that in agriculture, because of excess pressure, it is right, excess employment is not generated. The growth rate in agriculture is decelerating, which is an alarming situation. The growth rate of agriculture is decelerating means कम होता जा रहा है. It is an alarming situation. Today, Indian farmers are facing a big challenge from international competition, and our government is going ahead with reduction in public investment in agricultural sector, particularly in irrigation, power, rural market, etc. Listen, I have asked one question. The declining share of agriculture in GDP is a matter of serious concern. Support your answer with any five valid reasons. The first reason is that the international competition. Today our farmers has to face international competition. What the products they are producing in their farm should be equally competitive as it is grown in the world. Otherwise, people nowadays they are selecting those products whether they either it is imported or not. It doesn't matter. Thing is that the thing should be better. अच्छा खरीदारी करना लोग चाहते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन बढ़ा है और दूसरा गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर का जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट पे, एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट पे, रोड डेवलपमेंट पे, इसमें बहुत सारा जो पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रहा था उसको गवर्नमेंट ने कम कर दिया है। ये एक दूसरा वैलिड रीजन हुआ। तीसरा, subsidy on fertilizer is decreased, leading to increase in cost of production. Subsidy is a word means that suppose a bag of urea is originally costing 500 rupees, but the government is providing the same bag of urea to the farmers at rupees 300. It means the extra 200 rupees burden is at the head of government. That is called subsidy. जो 200 रुपया एक्स्ट्रा उसपे से छूट मिल रहा है, वो जो 200 रुपये की छूट है, इसका वहन कौन कर रहा है? गवर्नमेंट। तो सब्सिडी रेट में भी कमी आ गई। सो डिक्लाइनिंग सब्सिडी ऑन फर्टिलाइजर इट इज अनदर थ्रेट। एग्रीकल्चर के विकास में बाधक है सब्सिडी का कमी होना भी। मोर ओवर, रिडक्शन इन इंपोर्ट ड्यूटीज ऑन एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स हैव प्रूव्ड डेट्रीमेंटल टू एग्रीकल्चर इन द कंट्री। और खास करके एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर जो इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी लगती थी, बाहर से मंगाने पे जो इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी लगती थी, वो भी कम कर दी गई। उसके वजह से इंडियन प्रोडक्ट इंटरनेशनल प्रोडक्ट के मार्केट के तुलना में मार्केट में कॉम्पीट नहीं कर पाते हैं। और साथ ही साथ फार्मर्स आर विड्रॉइंग देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर, कॉजिंग अ डाउनफॉल इन द एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन एग्रीकल्चर। And many of the big farmers especially, they are withdrawing their capital from agriculture and shifting it in industry, in other type of activities, etc. Because in other sector like the share market, they are earning more as compared to the agriculture. So because of all these five, there is declining share of agriculture in GDP. Now I think it is clear to you all. If the question will ask, the declining share of agriculture is a matter of serious concern. Support your answer with 5 valid reasons. You have to write international competition, decrease in subsidy, withdrawal of farmers from agriculture, reduction in import duties, etc. You have to write. Now, one thing I am going to discuss, it is very important for us to know. When farmers have been facing so many problems and land under agriculture is decreasing, it doesn't mean that physically land is decreasing or shrinking. ऐसा नहीं है कि लैंड कम होती जा रही है यानी जमीन छोटी होती जा रही है। कारण क्या है? पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो जो हिस्से की जमीन है वो छोटी होती जा रही है। कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन एग्रीकल्चर? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट। Agriculture is already saturated and there is disguised unemployment in this sector very much. That is why a question is asked generally, why are farmers committing suicides in several states of the country? Besides many regions, as you have discussed about why the GDP, why the share of agriculture in GDP is declining. One more question here we can discuss. It is another problem of Indian farmers that why are the farmers committing suicides in several states of the country? Very simple reason. Farmers are taking loan. When their crops are failed, they are unable to repay the loan. They are unable to repay their loan and they feel loneliness, and that time they are committing suicides because there is no way that how they can survive again. And it happens in the case of Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. 2 or 3 years regularly the crops failed. Because of that many farmers have suicides. It is another problem of the Indian farmers. The next topic, as the topic was earlier up to last year was not there in the syllabus, now included this year by the CBSE, food security. We are going to discuss about food security. You know that food is a basic need and every citizen of the country should have access to food which provides minimum nutritional level. It is right. Do you know the farmers, the marginal farmers, small farmers, landless laborers, their kids are not able to go to the English medium school or good school because of lack of money. So they are mostly going to the government school. In government school, there is a program of midday meal, MDL, midday meal. MDM program is there, midday meal. दिन का खाना भी उनको वहां खिलाया जाता है. Free of cost books and copies are given to them. Bags, clothes, shoes. Now everything is given to them that they can take at least elementary education up to class 8 through SSA, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. But besides all, each and every citizen has a right to access at least those amount of food that can meet the nutritional requirement of the body. Then what is food security? Simply you can define that ensuring that all the people at all time, ensuring that all the people at all time have both physical and economic access to reliable and nutritionally adequate supply of food is called food security. व्यक्तियों को, लोगों को हर समय खास करके फिजिकली और इकोनॉमिकली दोनों तरह से रिलायबल और न्यूट्रिशनल फूड अवेलेबल हो ताकि उनकी बेसिक नीड्स पूरी हो. इसी को हम बोलते हैं फूड सिक्योरिटी. इफ एनी सेगमेंट ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन डज नॉट हैव दिस एक्सेस, दिस सेगमेंट सफर्स फ्रॉम द लैक ऑफ फूड सिक्योरिटी. अगर समाज का कोई भी हिस्सा भरपूर खाने का स्कोप नहीं मिलता उनको, खाना नहीं मिलता उनको, ये हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. द नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव फूड सिक्योरिटी इज disproportionately large in some regions of our country. In our country, many people at night don't have any meal to eat. They are sleeping without any food. Particularly in economically less developed states with higher incidence of poverty. What is poverty? Poverty is not new term for you, not for us. But what actually poverty? Poverty is a stage of deprivation. Poverty is a stage of deprivation in which the requirement which is needed to fulfill is not being fulfilled by the people by their resources as they do not have. एक ऐसी स्थिति जिसमें लोग अपनी जरूरत की सामान को भी खरीद नहीं पाते हैं, अपनी जरूरत की चीजों को भी पूरी नहीं कर पाते हैं, इसी को हम बोलते हैं पॉवर्टी. ये क्या है? स्टेज ऑफ डिप्राइवेशन है. द रिमोट एरियाज मीन्स द एरियाज व्हिच आर लोकेटेड फार अवे फ्रॉम द मेन सेंटर और द सिटीज और अर्बन सेंटर्स are called remote areas of the country, are more prone to natural disasters like in the Himalayan region on certain food supply, especially during the rainy season when roads are blocked. In those regions, food supply is very difficult. In order to ensure availability of food to all sections of society, our government carefully designed a national food security system. It consists of two components, buffer stock and public distribution system PDS. So in next class we will discuss about all these. I hope that 2 or 3 words now we can understand better. Very first, poverty. What is poverty? Poverty is a state of deprivation in which people are not able to meet their demand by their own resources. And we are going to discuss about 2 things of food security. Especially it consists of 2 components, buffer stock and public distribution system PDS. So in next period we'll discuss all in detail.